nikikuota, yakarudi miaka nenda, nasinzia nikikuwaza, nasinzia nikikuwaza, nasinzia nikikuwaza, ila siku ya kalenda, nasinzia nikikuwaza. Commit a crime and I'll be your defender. Overpower me so that I surrender. Oh, I wish I could be your saliva, so that I could taste your lips whenever I envy your hipster, vile imekushika kwama. Kwa kweli manzi umebarikiwa, ndio maana tunaimba hallelujah. I wish I could be your shoe, I would have such a beautiful view. And if I was a slit on your dress, my only life would be to aim for the highest. If only I could be your body lotion, I would